Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. In spring, sugars and starches are moved from the roots to the buds to make new leaves and blooms. Then during the summer and fall, the plant manufactures excess sugars and starches, some to be used to mature seeds and some to be stored in the roots for next year. Can you identify this naughty creature in a lemon plant? Actually, she is not naughty. After a few days after eating a lemon leaf, she will become a beautiful butterfly. This is that plant that we repotted a few days ago in our video. Look at the plant, it looks so beautiful. Okay, today I will tell you how you can prepare these repotted plants for summer. There are two main parts. First is the fertilizer, second is the mulching. If you regularly watch our videos, then you would know what is mulching. But if you are new, then keep watching the video to see what is mulching. So let's start with our main topic, which is how to mulch your gardens in summer. Summers in most parts of India can get quite unbearably hot, especially if you are maintaining your own garden at home. And in New Delhi's temperature can get up to 47 degrees to 49 degrees Celsius. First, my mom is giving all the repotted plants some sufficient nutrient fertilizer. And she covered the upper part of the plants with dry leaves, dry paper, or sometimes even dry grass. If you think being out in the garden for a couple of hours can get exhausting, then imagine what the scorching sun would be doing to your precious plants all day. So a great way to protect all your plants from the unbearable heat is to mulch them up. Since organic materials decompose into the soil over time, they almost act as compost, which helps improve the fertility of the soil. The fertilizer that my mom gave here is simply homemade kitchen waste compost and homemade tea leaf compost. Mulching your garden makes the soil more resistant to pests and diseases. And the mulch retains soil moisture for a long duration. As we live in New Delhi and there is no shade in our rooftop, this is the way how my mom saves a plant in summer. So if you also want to save your plant from the unbearable heat, you can also use this method and frequently shower your plants. We have already uploaded a lot of mulching videos before, so if you are interested, you can watch that video. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.